Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Goton rugged case and band kit with screen protector for the Apple Watch 46mm. This kit is compatible with Apple Watch Series 11 and 10, offering full body protection. With a combination of metal and PC bumper cover along with a silicone band. Starting with design, this case is built for a perfect fit across multiple Apple Watch models. The rugged exterior combines a durable metal frame with a PC casing to provide 360-degree protection, giving your watch a bold, military-inspired look. The kit also includes a built-in tempered glass screen protector for 44, 45, and 46mm models, while the 49mm version comes with an auto-alignment film to ensure clarity and touch sensitivity. Installation is straightforward, and the full body design ensures that every corner of your watch is shielded from bumps, scratches, and minor impacts. The included silicone band is soft and comfortable for all-day wear, whether you're at the gym, hiking, or just going about your daily routine. The rugged build does not compromise functionality, keeping your Apple Watch fully operational while offering peace of mind from accidental drops. The Goton rugged case and band kit not only protects your device but also enhances its style. The military-inspired look adds a sleek, tactical edge to your watch, making it stand out while maintaining practicality. The matte finish helps reduce fingerprints and smudges, keeping the watch looking clean and sharp. Overall, this all-in-one kit is ideal for those who want maximum protection and a durable, stylish design without having to buy multiple accessories separately. The combination of metal, PC, and tempered glass ensures that your Apple Watch remains safe, functional, and looking great no matter where life takes you. If you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and stylish case with a protective band for your Apple Watch, the Goton rugged case and band kit is a strong choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews.